Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to disable secure boot Acer Nitro 5. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first step to disabling secure boot on your Acer Nitro 5 can be necessary for installing certain operating systems or drivers. So the steps to disable secure boot are: number one is to enter the BIOS setup. Shut down your laptop completely, power it back on, and immediately press the F2 key repeatedly to access the BIOS system. If F2 doesn't work, try delete or another key listed on the boot screen. Switch to UEFI frame settings. Once in the BIOS, navigate to boot tab using arrow keys. Disable security mode. Look at the secure boot option under the boot menu. Use the arrow keys to highlight it and then press enter. Change the setting from enable to disable. Enable BIOS administrator password if required. Some Acer models require you to set supervisor password before you can disable secure boot. Go to the security tab in the BIOS. Select set a supervisor or admin password. Save the changes and return to the boot tab. Once secure boot is disabled, you can remove the password afterward. Number 5. Save changes and exit. Press F10 to save your changes and exit the BIOS. Now lastly, what you need to do is verify secure boot is just disabled. After restarting, you can double check that secure boot is disabled by entering the BIOS again and confirming the secure boot option is still set to disabled. Alternatively, boot into your operating system and check your UEFI settings. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.